Hello everyone, today we are going to make chicken masala, and for that I have taken 1 kg chicken. Okay, this is washed clean, and in that I'm going to add 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After which I'm going to pour 1 full bowl of curd. Yeah, that's the curd I'm adding to it. And after that I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt and again a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, here, and then I'm going to keep mixing it until all the ingredients are together in it, and keep it away for 20 minutes or half an hour. Yes. And now for the masala that will go in it is 2 large onions, 8 to 10 flakes of garlic, 1 inch ginger, few red chilies, 8 to 10 red chilies. You can use green chilies, red chilies are optional, 1 spoon of jeera, half a coconut, this is also optional, 1 huge big tomato, and 1 potato cut into 4. The dry masalas that I am going to be using are salt again, turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili powder, a little of pepper powder and coriander powder. All these masalas, I'm going to put them in a pan and heat them and roast them for a while. Okay, I'm not going to turn them into golden brown, just heat them, turn them, grind them in the mixer, and then add to the chicken in the pan. Okay, so I'm beginning to make the chicken curry. I'm putting oil in the cooker. So this is about 1 cup of oil, and let it heat. Heat it on high flame, and once it is heated, let's just check it out if it is, yeah, it's done. And now I'm going to add the chicken which I have marinated and kept for 20 minutes. Yeah, this chicken is going in. Let's remove all this curd from here. Now we are going to stir it. It's on high flame and we are going to stir it for a while. Just mix it with the oil. Right? If you see, it's oil there. Yeah. And now I'm going to add the masala. Comes. Alright, that's the lovely thick masala that I have ground. All that we are going to put. We're not going to leave anything. Mix it. Let's see. Just take it round and round, and it mixes automatically very quickly. Now that it is mixed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the lid for 5 minutes for the pressure to rise. Okay, close means not tight, but just cover it with the lid. Alright, I may as well use this lid. Okay, here. So we are going to watch it. So let's look at this gravy. After 5 to 7 minutes of covering it, I have opened it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, the gravy, the chicken, this is how it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to add the potato. Stir it, and you have to actually make the flame low. Stir it and add water. Okay, let's see. Now I'm going to add some water. How much gravy you need, you can add accordingly. Here I'm going to add only 1 glass of water. Yes, and here. That's how it is. After adding 1 glass of water, it's like this. Okay, now I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it, and just 1 whistle and it's done with high flame. So like you see, our chicken masala is ready, and I've served it in a bowl, and lovely chicken is cooked very nicely. It's tender, and the potato is also here, very yummy with thick gravy. As you can see, it's nice and thick gravy. Yummy, delicious. Looks very, very delicious. I'm sure you're gonna try this recipe. Okay, please let me know how you like it, and do not forget to share and subscribe to this channel. Chicken masala for today.